Good morning, everybody. Today is an exciting day. The new RLC Redline Club membership car came to my door today, so we want to open that, take a look at it. You can see it here on screen. This is came packaged in a nice little box, and of course you can see the car, the badge came with it. You've got a button inside the packaging. This car is a 1969, I believe, Camaro in black with our Tampo red racing stripe on the front, the rally stripe, and the redline wheels. Looks to be a metal base. It's pretty exciting. And then of course you get your button. Some of these, last year's RLC of course was the olive green Datsun 510 Bluebird. That was an exciting one from last year. Some of the other Redline Club cars we've picked up. Here is the Hypo Hauler. That one was an awesome one. You can see I've never opened that one. I don't typically open up the RLCs or the Redline Club. Maybe one day, I don't know, maybe one day we'll do that. We'll have to see, I don't know. This is one of those things where you're just not sure if you should open them or not. I see a lot of guys online who do open them, and I'm thinking, well, why would you do that? Is that a good thing to do? Some of these can be pretty valuable if you leave them in the packaging. And I've always, been one of those guys to try and preserve the packaging. That's just my nature. This is an older one. The VW bus in the Flying Customs series. That one's always been a good one. And I also picked up the Fast and Furious series that came in as well. You can see that here. Now these ones I think we should open up and get a closer look at those. I think that's exciting to be able to see these cars up close. You can see spinning around on the wheel there is the Mercedes in the yellow variation. That one has always been a really popular one. So number one in the Fast and Furious series, you've got the Nissan Skyline GTR. That's pretty awesome. Nice tampos. You got the license plate in there. That spin. That's a pretty awesome looking car, I must say. The tampo work on this one is really, really sharp. And then number two in the series is the Nissan Silvia S15. This is a pretty awesome car as well. So we got the nice dark blue, orange stripe. Looks like a plastic wing. Beautiful tampo work again. It's pretty wicked. I think this one's awesome as well. I believe that to be one of the more sought after models as well. Let that spin. That one's pretty cool. I like that one a lot. And next one in the series is the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. Another really super cool car. You got that in the main lines as well, but I don't know, there's something about having it done in this really nice paint with all the tampos all the way around. Just makes it look so awesome. And then the next one in the series, Fast and Furious. You've got your LP 570-4 Superleggara Lamborghini. This one not super exciting on the tempo work, but it is a pretty cool car. You know, a little bit more plain, simple. I think that one's pretty awesome as well. I like the blacked out rims. That's really cool. It looks mean. And then the next one in the series, Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32. Now this one is a really plain car with just plain gloss black, awesome wheels, tempo work on the front and back. Tempo work is nice and clean on these cars. I love this. Even got that little symbol on the side. Or is that a marker? No, it's probably not a marker. It's probably a GTR symbol or something. But anyway, really cool. Look at that under the magnifying glass. But pretty exceptional looking cars, I must say. These ones are pretty awesome. Really like these a lot. The new premium series cars that are coming this year are going to be pretty exciting. So I can't wait to get those ones out to so that you guys can see them all. And so hopefully you guys all have a great day, and I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. We're a new channel, and we want to be able to bring you more. Have a great day. Bye for now.